The sliding door lock will be installed on the center side frame of the inside door of the cage. You will need the door lock assembly, which includes the lock and slide plate, a threaded nut, and a screw, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Insert the threaded nut of the door lock assembly through the hole in the center frame of the door from the inside of the door. Hold the slide plate so that the serrated end is over the inside door. The serrations are pointed up, and the hole in the plate is lined up over the hole in the door and threaded nut. Thread the screw through the hole in the side plate and into the threaded nut. Tighten with the screwdriver. Make sure that both doors are fully seated into the frames at the sides of the front panels. Rotate the key in the drum lock to open the lock. Insert the slide plate into the flat side of the drum lock and slide the lock over the serrated plate. Turn the key counterclockwise to secure the lock.